Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you two different ways that you can curl your hair. One is heatless waves that you can do really easily overnight, so it involves very little input from you. And then this other one is this one I've got here, which I do using my curling wand. So if you'd like to see these two different methods, then keep watching. Okay, it is Tuesday evening. I've just washed my hair. Now this is going to be obviously different to my air drying technique, which is really just where I like leave my hair do its own thing. So I will leave the video for that just up here. So that's all brushed out. So I'm just gonna loosen it a little with my fingers, and then I'm gonna use clearly my favorite product, which is the Wave Spray. Just gonna work that in a little bit into my hair, and now I'm just gonna kind of leave it air dry a little bit. It's not going to be a full air drying situation, just a partial air dry situation, just to speed up the whole process. And so I'm not going to bed with completely soaking wet hair. So I will see you in probably half an hour, 45 minutes. Oh my god, I just had so much pasta. My hair is mostly dry. It's still always at the back more damp, but like it's not residual damp, if you get me. So I have a mirror here, so I'm kind of going to be looking at both, and I'm not going to go and like go through the whole way of how I do this, because I found this heatless waves technique on Tarmar's YouTube. If you don't follow her, go and check her out. I'm going to leave the video where she shows how to exactly do this in the description box below, and she will explain it so much better than I ever could. But just to kind of show you guys how I start off, and to just give you an idea. So you're taking chunks, and what you're going to be doing is basically picking up another chunk. I take pretty big chunks, probably like 1.5 inch, just because I don't want it to be too tight. And you pick up the next piece and you drop the next down, and then with that piece that you've just dropped down, you pick up the next piece, if your hair cooperates. And all I've done is just swap hands there, and you pick that up and you drop that piece down, and you just continue the whole way to the back. My least favorite part of all this is, now that I've got this hair here, I kind of need to put it on my mouth and do the other side, because otherwise it just untwists. So excuse me. Okay, so now I'm kind of holding them both at the back, and I'm going to take a hair tie and tie it down at the bottom, and then I basically just go to sleep looking like a little prairie person. If you want to do it looser, you can, so it's more gentle, or you can do it tighter to give you like a tighter look. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I will show it to you first thing in the morning when I wake up. So you have that to look forward to. It's so bright. Okay, I've slept with it in all night. It's actually held pretty well. And now I'm going to take it out and show you guys how wild it is, because it's going to be wild. Okay, looks very intense right now, but I'm gonna leave it for a little bit, go off, get dressed for my day, do my makeup, all that kind of stuff, and I'll continue to like shake it out a little bit, and yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. So I've done my makeup, I've done my I've gotten dressed and I kind of like, I left this down for a little while just to let it relax a bit. It's still a little lines maney, but I'm vibing with it. Okay, yeah, so just a little texturizing spray just to break it up a little bit and make it not so perfect wavy red. Okay, and you'll have seen me do this in my air dry video, but I kind of just work the product in and move my fingers through it just to break it up a little bit and not make it so wave. Okay, so this is it. This is Tarmar's Heatless Waves tutorial. I'm going to be leaving it obviously all day today and then sleeping in it tonight and showing you what it looks like tomorrow as well, just so you can kind of see how it falls out. Obviously it'll be different for different people. Some people's hair won't hold it as well, some people's will hold it better. It all just depends. It's something you play around with, but just to give you guys an idea, it just looks very effortless, which is what we want. So this is day one with my heatless curls. Okay, I've tried to light up the situation, so there's little shadow puppets going on back here. This is end of day two with the heatless waves. You can see they hold up really well, and they kind of relax out as the day goes on, but they hold up really well, so I love them. However, because my hair is oily, the roots are really oily, and if I leave it any longer it'll just be a mess tomorrow. So tonight I'm going to wash my hair using the same shampoo bar I used 2 days ago, and then drying it and curling it with a curling wand thing, and so you'll see what it looks like immediately after, and then I'm going to sleep in it and see how it like relaxes and looks the next day. So we're gonna go wash our hair now. Okay, hair is washed, pajamas are on. I'm going to dry my hair now with my hair dryer because I'm not bothered waiting for it to air dry, being perfectly honest. So I won't bother boring you with this. We'll just go straight to when my hair is dry, like that. Don't you just love the magic of editing? So now we're going to move on to the curling part, and I'm super fast at this because I don't have the time to be spending all day curling my hair. Also, I'm molting so bad. Okay, so for curling I have used the same Babyliss wand for years. It's really inexpensive. I think I bought it recently enough because my old one is in my parents' house for like 30 or 40 euros, something crazy. So you don't need to spend big money on a curling wand. It goes up to 210 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna have it on 180. I don't want it to be super hot, and when my hair is longer I would have it higher because I feel like it helps hold the weight of the curl more, but I'm just kind of going for a looser look today, so I just need it on about 180. So what I'm going to do is I always start with the front part here, and I kind of section it in a V shape. So I don't want it to be blocky. I want it to kind of, you know, be a natural enough bunch of hair. And I take big enough pieces of hair, and I'm just going to wrap it the whole way around, leaving a little bit out at the end, and hold it there for about 15-20 seconds until the hair feels kind of warm. Okay, that's from 15 seconds, so I'm happy with that. The big thing is to let it just fall. So once you've used the wand, just let it fall down. Don't touch it, let it completely cool without touching it. It's really important. It'll help hold the curl for a lot longer. We are all curled, so this is still warm, this is cooled down, so I'm just going to start breaking it up a little bit with my hands and letting it kind of rest a little bit, and then once this cools down I will do the same to this side. It just needs another minute or two. Okay, this is finally cool, so I'm gonna mess it up a little bit because I do not like perfect curls. Now I will be sleeping on this. So the thing I say about this is, and yes, I'm gonna use my wave spray again. The thing I'll say about like the, what am I trying to say? The wand over the heatless waves, like it is something you can do instantaneously, and like you can go out like this. I wouldn't recommend the NASA t-shirt and the no makeup, but you can, like, your hair will be ready. So it's definitely handier because you can do it straight away and it's ready to go and looks kind of loose and easy. I think that's a big thing. Like, I mean, keeping the ends out a little bit just softens it. It makes it not so ringlety. And then I'm using my wave spray again to just give it a bit more texture. Okay, that is my way that I curl my hair with a curling iron. I'm gonna go to sleep now and I will show you what it looks like in the morning. Good morning. It's still curly. Okay. I'm gonna get dressed. Put on my face and show you my hair. Into it. Alrighty, finally dressed, finally have my face on. As you can see, it's a lot softer than the heatless waves in that it wouldn't have as many waves in it. It's more gentle, so kind of a slightly different look, but still nice. So I haven't put any product in it yet, so I'm gonna put in a little bit of wave spray, which is basically like the main product I use, as you've seen a million times already in this video. And then I'm just gonna give that a scrunching. Now I'm gonna finish things off with the Way texturizing hairspray, just to kind of give it some hold and also keep it nice and loose and easy breezy. That is it. That is my easy curls that I do with my Heatless wand. I'd love to hear which one you guys prefer. So whether you prefer this look or if you prefer the heatless waves. They're a little bit different, but I really like the results you get from both of them. So comment down below which ones you prefer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up and you can subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.